Oh god. Good morning. We'll talk about this in a minute. Let's get the dog in. Oh. See how this works. Oh. It's never a good start on Friday the 13th. Not at all. In. Good boy. Oh. Oh, look at the state of it in here. I wasn't planning on using this today. I wasn't planning on showing you this at all, to be honest. Look at the state of it. Okay. There we go. Right, put that there. Most importantly. Yep, the E36 is back in her rightful place. Now, do you see anything else that's not here? That's right, the E46 has found a new resting home in the skies. No, I scrapped it, so that is gone. I've got some parts back there. I actually got £200 back for that with the cat, so I'm pretty happy with that. If you want to know a shakedown, if I lost any money on that, let me know and I'll do another video on it. But we didn't do too bad. Anyway, we're here to talk about this. I wasn't really planning on showing you this. It was just going to be a car for the background. But yeah, I picked this up for 250 quid. It's a 1.6 petrol, 5-speed. As you can see, it's been battered. I'm not going to go over a long list of what's wrong with it because we're not fixing it. The tyres are all good. It runs and drives. Just so it takes a bit of the fuel cost down on the X5 because it's a thirsty old girl. She's costing me like about £100 a week in fuel going back and forth to work in the farm, so that's enough on that. So that's our scrap engine. I've taken the majority of everything off of it, as you can see. So that's, sorry, sidetracking here. This is going to be weighed in. The door here, don't ask, it'll be in another video. I was going to keep the steering rack in the car because I thought it was just a generic silver tag, but as I took it out, I noticed we've had a purple tag. Sorry, you can't see. Can you see that? We've had a purple tag this whole time. So yeah, that's I'm happy that I pulled that out. So that just needs cleaning up because it doesn't leak or anything. The E36, as we know, I did have planned to get a purple tag rack in it, but I put it back together, but she hasn't been leaking, so she's been doing really well. She's not leaking. The only thing that started to leak, or signs of leaking, is the reservoir cap. I don't know if you can see it down there. It's a bit oily, or starting to get a bit oily. So that's the only leaky power steering point at the moment. So we'll have to address that. Of course, 2 seconds. All right.
You up?
What's on?
Where are you?
I'm up farm. Are you ready? Got the rig then.
Oh, top row, eh?
Got the rig then.
I'm holding everybody up.
Nice. How you getting on?
Yeah, alright.
Oh, what a beautiful sight. The X5 doing what it's meant to. This piece of shit he's brought down. Okay, now. Right. Out of the way. Oh, let me speak to him a minute. Oh yeah, nice number. Do you want me to move the Golf out of the way first?
Yeah, get ready.
Otherwise not going to get no room. Let me just sort out the Golf and move the wheels out of the way. Yeah? Right. Looks good though. Shame it had to experience some rain. Shame it had to experience the rain. Will you shut the fuck up? Jesus Christ. Gotta be 100. Rookie! So here she is. Might as well have a look around this bad boy. So I don't know what year this is, but it's fairly old. I'm sure he's going to be well happy that it's all rubbed down and sat outside in the wet. So this is my dad's, I think it's like 1980 something. It's old. Yeah, she's a late 1980s Peugeot 305 van. She's a 19 XUD or XU something early. God, look at all the sawdust in here. Okay, now she is completely original. 90,000 miles on it. I don't know. You open this piece of shit. But he's had it for about 10 years, and it's just sat in his farm up in Surrey for a long time. Now he's getting a unit down here. He wants to bring all his shit down. He's locked it, the gay boy. But you can see she's in need of some love and attention. So that's the van. What is that on the back of my car? Yuck. What is that? That's where that's going. We have finally got electric. It's been a long time coming, but we have finally got electric here. So we've got a full setup. I'm just in the middle of wiring in sockets, but the lighting was the most important for me because obviously you can't see. Well, let me just turn them off and I'll show you how dark it is without them on. So yeah, big difference. Obviously the door behind you is open, so that is letting in some light, but it is really dark normally. You know what it's like. You see me walking around with my torch like a tard all the time. But not anymore. Because we have lights. At the back here, I'm just sorting out all the shed. In this corner here, I've got a nice big shelf from B&Q that I'm going to be doing. And then I'm going to try and sort out. As you can see, we've got a fairly big piece of racking now. I do still have 2 shelves available, but I just wanted to see how high, you know, everything is. So I've got a bit of a parts shelf here. I've got the turbo off the 330 and the starter and alternator. I've got these buckets here full of parts for the E46, and back here I've got a new steering rack for the X5, and a bonus, that one right there is the rack off of the God, I look so bold, is the rack off of the E46, and this whole time it's been sat there with a purple tag rack. So we've got a brand new, well, not so brand new, we've got a purple tag rack for the E36. Speaking of the E36, she's outside chilling, so we're going to have to start thinking about what we're going to be doing to her over the winter and getting her ready for next year. Again, Scrapman's bin, I don't know if I've said that already, so the engine's gone. I've got some Wonga for all the stuff that I scrapped. Obviously I still need to go through a lot of things. Obviously we've got a engine just sat here doing nothing and taking up space. My bike needs to be moved over here, but I thought about putting some shelves there. I've got these two shelves to go through. It's just again full of crap. This table needs sorting out, but again, this was my workbench, but I'm planning on building a new workbench. I've moved my toolbox around because it was just a pain being facing this way on the table there. I've wired in my sockets, so now I've got a light switch and my socket that works. I've just been hoovering up loads of shit, so that's all good. Apart from that, it's to move this engine crane over to my dad's side for a minute. I don't know if I showed you, but you probably did see a snippet of us loading up the 305 van. I was just going to add these to the loft. This is going upstairs. I've just put some other bits up there as well, so I'm just going to shove these steels up there for now. And the I got given this, I don't know what it is off of. E36 is all warming up. Then I get her back in the shed, and then yeah, so I'm just going to drag this out. Shed's coming along, boys. Shed is coming along. then guys, that is going to be the end of the video. I probably missed a load of things. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just putting this video out. Next video, hopefully things will be going back to normal now and we can start getting some work done in the shed. Now it's actually functional and we've got some light in there so we can actually see what we're doing. Yeah, the E46 is gone. I scrapped it. I made £200 on it because from the metal and the and I gave the bloke the cat, so that's happy days. Hence why I bought this Golf with 190k on it. Look at this bad girl. But yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers and gone. Bye.
And I've been